Palladium windows, Washington, D.C. add dramatic curb appeal, natural light, and architectural character to homes across Capitol Hill, Georgetown, DuPont Circle, Adams Morgan, Navy Yard, Shaw, and Northwest Washington, D.C. For homeowners seeking premium Palladium windows in Washington, D.C., the right design can transform a facade while supporting energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, and triple-pane windows for year-round comfort. Custom Palladium windows DC options pair beautifully with historic home windows Washington, D.C., row homes, and townhomes, creating a refined upgrade that complements brick exteriors, modern renovations, and luxury residential properties throughout the district. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. is one of the most effective ways to improve comfort, efficiency, and property value. Homeowners comparing replacement window quotes often look for vinyl replacement windows, wood window replacement, aluminum window frames, and insulated glass units that match the style of the home. Local window replacement experts DC can recommend the best window upgrade for older homes, new additions, and full exterior remodels. Whether the project involves replacement windows in Washington, D.C. or house window replacement services Washington, D.C., the goal is the same: better performance, better appearance, and better long-term value. Custom window installation. Washington, D.C. is essential when the opening requires precision, especially for arched window replacement Washington, D.C., custom arched windows, and Palladium window replacement Washington, D.C. projects. A proper fit helps prevent air leaks, moisture intrusion, and structural issues while supporting residential glazing and window retrofit solutions. Experienced home window contractors and licensed window contractors DC can handle difficult dimensions, specialty shapes, and detailed trim work. For properties in Georgetown, Logan Circle, Cleveland Park, and other DC neighborhoods, a professional window installation service ensures the finished product looks original, clean, and fully integrated, particularly when installing Palladium windows Washington, D.C. homeowners rely on for architectural impact. Energy-efficient replacement windows Washington, D.C. help reduce utility costs while improving indoor comfort during hot summers and cold winters. Double-pane replacement windows DC and triple-pane window installation DC provide improved insulation, while soundproof replacement windows Washington, D.C. can reduce street noise near busy corridors like U Street, 14th Street, Pennsylvania Avenue, and Wisconsin Avenue. Insulated glass units, low-maintenance frames, and tight seals make a major difference in urban living. For homeowners wanting a practical window upgrade, energy-efficient windows remain one of the smartest choices for long-term savings and everyday comfort. Historic home window replacement Washington, D.C. requires careful attention to design, materials, and preservation goals. Many historic home windows Washington, D.C. need custom window installation Washington, D.C. that respects original proportions while improving energy performance and function. Wood window replacement, window sash replacement, and window frame installation may be ideal when restoring older facades in neighborhoods such as Capitol Hill, Mount Pleasant, Kalorama, and Georgetown. Custom arched windows, Palladium windows, and window glass replacement Washington, D.C. can preserve architectural integrity while delivering a more durable and efficient result for vintage properties. Window contractors Washington, D.C. should offer more than basic installation. They should provide full-service solutions including window frame replacement Washington, D.C., window frame installation, window sash replacement, and window glass replacement Washington, D.C. Insured window installers Washington, D.C. help protect your investment while ensuring the work meets code and quality standards. From residential glazing services Washington, D.C. to custom Palladium windows D.C., a dependable contractor can manage every detail. For property owners searching for licensed window contractors DC or window installation near me Washington, D.C., local experience matters when dealing with diverse home styles and weather conditions. Window replacement for row homes Washington, D.C. and window replacement for townhomes Washington, D.C. often requires specialized measurements and design matching. Narrow facades, stacked openings, and shared walls can make residential window replacement more complex, especially in neighborhoods like Capitol Hill, Petworth, Brookland, and Shaw. Palladium window replacement, arched window replacement, and window retrofit services can be tailored to each structure without compromising character. Homeowners who want a polished look often choose residential window replacement Washington, D.C. solutions that balance energy-efficient windows, visual harmony, and practical function for dense urban living. Palladium window replacement Washington, D.C. is especially popular for residences that want a grand focal point above entryways, stairwells, or formal living spaces. Palladium windows Washington, D.C. create an elegant profile while allowing more daylight into the interior, and they can be designed with double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, or insulated glass units for better thermal control. Custom Palladium windows DC are often paired with vinyl replacement windows or wood window replacement in other parts of the home for a cohesive appearance. With the right window contractors Washington, D.C., the result is both stylish and performance-driven. New construction windows and window installation service options are ideal for additions, rebuilds, and major renovations across Washington, D.C. Contractors can coordinate residential glazing, aluminum window frames, and custom window installation Washington, D.C. to match modern layouts or traditional architecture. When a project requires energy-efficient windows, soundproof windows, or replacement window quotes for multiple openings, the process becomes more efficient with local expertise. From luxury condominiums to detached homes, new construction windows can be selected to support durability, natural light, and long-term home performance. Homeowners seeking window glass replacement Washington, D.C., window frame replacement Washington, D.C., or window upgrade options often want a complete solution from local window replacement experts D.C. Residential window replacement, Palladium windows Washington, D.C., and arched window replacement Washington, D.C. services can be combined with double-pane replacement windows D.C., triple-pane window installation D.C., and residential glazing services Washington, D.C. for a comprehensive improvement. Whether the project is in Northwest Washington, D.C., near downtown, or in a historic corridor, the Right House window replacement services Washington, D.C. deliver beauty, efficiency, and lasting value for every property. Palladium windows Washington, D.C. demand precision, scale, and design expertise, especially for row homes, townhomes, and historic properties across Capitol Hill, Georgetown, DuPont Circle, and Northwest D.C. Custom Palladium windows D.C., arched window replacement Washington, D.C., and custom window installation Washington, D.C. help preserve curb appeal while improving performance. For homeowners seeking premium Palladium windows in Washington, D.C., local window replacement experts D.C., licensed window contractors D.C., and insured window installers Washington, D.C. deliver tailored solutions for unique openings, specialty shapes, and architectural symmetry. Energy-efficient replacement windows Washington, D.C. are a smart upgrade for homeowners looking to reduce drafts, lower utility costs, and improve comfort year-round. Double-pane replacement windows D.C., triple-pane window installation D.C., insulated glass units, and soundproof replacement windows Washington, D.C. all support better thermal control and noise reduction in busy neighborhoods like Adams Morgan, Foggy Bottom, and Capitol Hill. Whether you need energy-efficient windows, double-pane windows, triple-pane windows, or soundproof windows, home window contractors can recommend the right glass package, frame style, and installation method for your property. Residential window replacement Washington, D.C. includes everything from vinyl replacement windows and wood window replacement to aluminum window frames and window retrofit options for older homes. Home window replacement Washington, D.C. often involves window frame installation, window sash replacement, window glass replacement Washington, D.C., and window upgrade services designed to restore performance without sacrificing style. For properties with aging frames or damaged components, replacement windows in Washington, D.C. can be paired with residential glazing services Washington, D.C. for a seamless, long-lasting finish. Historic home windows Washington, D.C. require specialized care, especially when dealing with historic home window replacement, custom arched windows, and arched window replacement Washington, D.C. Many older homes benefit from window replacement for row homes Washington, D.C. and window replacement for townhomes Washington, D.C., where custom window installation and precise measurements are essential. Window Contractors Washington, D.C. can provide replacement window quotes, home window replacement Washington, D.C. planning, and house window replacement services Washington, D.C. that balance preservation requirements with modern efficiency. New construction windows, residential glazing, and window installation service options are also available for additions, remodels, and full property upgrades throughout Washington, D.C. Whether you need Palladium window replacement, Palladium window replacement Washington, D.C., residential window replacement Washington, D.C., or window installation near me Washington, D.C., expert installers can handle custom arched windows, replacement window quotes, and complete window frame replacement Washington, D.C. projects. From premium Palladium windows in Washington, D.C. to double-pane windows, wood window replacement, and custom window installation, the right team delivers durable, attractive, and energy-smart results. Homeowners investing in Palladium windows Washington, D.C. can enjoy a distinctive architectural feature that enhances natural light, elevates curb appeal, and adds long-term value to their property.